So my onion peels, clove, dried aloe vera, dried curry leaves, hair growth oil got spoiled in just 4 days. And I need to tell you why. I thought vitamin E would help make it last long, but no, it got spoiled within 7 days. If you made my recipe, I'm so sorry, but here's what went wrong. If you wasted your onion to make this oil because of me, I'm genuinely sorry. My goal was to help you grow your hair, not waste your money. In the video of how I made the onion oil, I said it will last 3 months if you add vitamin E. That was very wrong. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I didn't know this earlier. I care about your hair and safety. That is why I made this video, to genuinely say how sorry I am. Can you still make and use this oil? Yes, you can still make the onion peel oil and use it safely. The safe way to use it is make the onion peel oil in small batches. Use it within 7 days and keep it in refrigerator. And always add vitamin E oil. Oil plus water equals to bacteria. The vitamin E doesn't stop the bacteria from growing. The water in onion peels and aloe vera all had moisture, and it contributed to making the oil go rancid and spoil faster. My lovely viewers and subscribers, thank you for understanding. Your safety comes first. Remember how to use this onion peel oil safely. Make small batch only. Use within 7 days and keep in refrigerator. If you see separation, cloudiness, molds, or bad smell, throw it away. Why? Onion peel and dry aloe vera still have water in them, and this can cause the spoilage. Vitamin E only stops the oil from going rancid, not the bacteria. I'm sorry I didn't know this earlier before the video. I care about your hair and safety. So, how long does this last genuinely? From my recipe that I made, without refrigerator, it lasted for 4 days max. Then, with refrigerator and vitamin E, it can last for 7 days. After 7 days, throw it away. Do not risk your scalp. When I discovered mine got spoiled, I threw it away. Thank God I made only a small batch. Right now, I'll be testing a new hair growth oil with safer recipe that will last 4 to 6 months with no spoilage. Comment 6 months oil so I can tag you when I post the video in 6 months time. Don't forget, in this channel, we try all the DIYs that will help our hair to grow healthy and stronger and longer. Will I still continue using the oil? Of course, yes, I will still continue using the oil, but I have to only use it within 7 days. And you can also use this oil safely without getting scared, as long as you use it within 7 days. And don't forget, Auntie Shade remind us that beauty will not get care, now does go cover am. I care about your hair, and that is why I'm making this apology video, to tell you that the oil does not last for 3 months, even if you add vitamin E. Thank you so much for understanding. I love you guys, my viewers. I love you guys, my subscribers. Thank you for understanding. And don't forget, please, if you have forgiven me, you can also leave a comment to say that you are forgiving me. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. And don't forget, I'll be trying another recipe that will be lasting for 6 months. And this time around, I would have to try it for 6 months, and then I'll update you after 6 months. I'll be making the video. And if you do not subscribe, you know you will not be able to see that. But if you should subscribe to this channel, whenever I drop that hair growth oil new recipe that will last for 6 months, you will be able to get the notification and watch it. Of course, you need hair growth oil, DIY, budget-friendly, affordable hair growth oil. I am so sorry. The oil got spoiled after 4 days. Bye, and see you in my next video. And once again, so if you are using it, ensure that you use it within 7 days. Thank you so much. Bye.